Hi everyone, this is Josie from firstthecoffee.com and welcome back to my channel. In this stitch tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the single crochet back loop only, or also known as the back loop single crochet. This can be a great stitch to use if you need ribbing on something such as the cuff of a sweater or even the rim of a beanie. It's a very springy stitch, and when you do it on rows back to back, you get this nice rippled appearance. Now when doing the back loop single crochet, you need to have an existing set of stitches to work from, so it's not worked from a foundation chain. So here I have a row of single crochet stitches. So we're going to start row 2 with our back loop only single crochet. Now to do these, when you're looking from the top, you have these V's here that are the individual stitches. And what we're going to be doing is only going under this back part of the V. So that's your back loop. So you'll just insert your hook between the two loops of the V and just go under that back loop. And then yarn over and bring up a loop just like you would with a regular single crochet. And then yarn over and pull through 2. So again, looking from the top, you have the front loop. And this is the back loop. So we're going in under that back loop, pulling up a loop, and then yarning over again and pulling through both loops. You'll just keep doing that all the way across the row. And you want to make sure you don't miss this last one and end up dropping a stitch. So to start the next row, you'll just chain 1, turn your work over, you'll just go back down row 2 again, just in these back loops here. And that's how you do the back loop single crochet.